Hello everyone. In this video, let's examine the love traits of Leo men. A Leo man is quick to fall in love, but sustaining that emotion can be challenging for him. Falling out of love comes just as easily. However, do not mistake this for casualness about love. On the contrary, Leo sees love as something grand and almost mythical. For him, a romantic relationship is never trivial or unclear. It is high drama and grand passion. Among all the zodiac signs, Leo can make you feel like you are part of a unique, old shaking love story. When a woman captures his heart, she becomes the center of his world. She basks in the glow of his admiration and feels the exhilaration of being adored by a Leo. But this intensity can suddenly vanish without explanation. The spotlight dims, the romance ends abruptly, and she is left wondering why. Often, it's because Leo was infatuated with an idealized version of her, a princess in his imagination, completely satisfied by his love. When reality replaces the myth, Leo may withdraw and move on. Leo men enjoy having their whims catered to, yet they do not see themselves as demanding. They believe they are open-hearted and deserving of all they ask for. If someone suggests that they are too demanding, they wouldn't understand why. For Leo, pleasing him should be as rewarding for the other person as it is for him. He views everyone as equally ready to serve him. This might seem overly self-assured, but there is more beneath the surface. Underneath his majestic exterior, Leo is a sensitive and vulnerable man who craves reassurance and praise. Compliments and admiration are as essential to him as food and drink. In sexual relationships, he tends to be cautious and prefers familiar territory over risky adventures. While he may not explore unknown sensual realms, he ensures stability and avoids potential disasters. When treated with affection and care, Leo is a wonderfully cheerful and loving companion. Leo men are kind, strong, and generous. They can be a bit of a spendthrift but are usually successful in their endeavors. A woman who captures the heart of this charismatic, ambitious, and sunny dispositioned man faces a unique challenges. She must help him understand that he doesn't always need to be the sole focus of his admiration. If she can do that, she will have a devoted and affectionate partner in her Leo man. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your relatives and friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Goodbye and namaste.